As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here is finished and Bitcoin doing exactly like how us we told you yesterday. If you remember what us we told you yesterday before even that candle here it's being printed. Also we told you if the market give us there like that, a red candle like that, and next to it another red candle, and here a green candle indicating that one here, there is a correction going to happen, and that exactly what happened guys. You see that pattern here? Is it the same pattern here? Look at it guys. Look here where I'm going to show you. You see it here is the same pattern we printed here today. So there is a correction guys. It's coming. We don't know tell where and how big it's going to be. So we need to be careful. By the way guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes. Guys, those days you don't supporting us at all. So please my friends, smash that like button which is there. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Those days we don't give in day trading guys because market is very flat. We just giving swing trading. We got a swing trade. We're holding it from Sunday till now. So if you are interested to make money without high stress, welcome. If you want very aggressive trading style, those days we don't give it. So if you are interested, click at the link which is down in the description of the video and in the first comment. You're going to land here in Patreon. If you came and you haven't seen join button, you click at that one here, see member option like that guys. Look at it, and it's going to show you those membership like that. By the way, that one here, if you see it, that man, it doesn't applicable to you the VAT or tax sales, and use the opportunity and join my friend. If you don't see it, you see only that one and that one. That when it's applicable to you, the tax cells, and click a join finish payment process inside Patreon. There is a video going to show you all the steps. Still going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem to join us, you can text me either here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the links are down and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, Bitcoin, it's printing for us that candle here. Look at it. That candle here, it's not printed only here. Look here in that zone here. As you see it guys, and even here you see it here, same candle here, and even here guys is the same candle after it's printed here. Look how much we bump. So you need to be careful guys. Even here, what that market going to do today? There is a correction. We don't know tell where. The only things now here we still have a lot of price actions here in daily guys, a lot of them. We started by the first one, which is that one here. You remember that megaphone as we showed you before, which is that one here. We started from that one and that one here, and we said if it's getting broke here, we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping very hard. At this time we're still above it. That meant nothing changed. And me, if you remember what I told you we are going back to touch the top of that one here. Let's see if the Bitcoin going to manage to break and to go more higher. But guys, if you remember what I told you last Friday, what I told you here, I told you 113k Bitcoin, it will not close Friday candle above it. Also, we are very close, guys. Even if we came above, we're going to come to 111k or something, but will not break 113k that week. There is a correction to where we don't know, guys. Tell where, because there is no volume at that zone where we are. I think I explained everything. We don't need to make that video too long. We got something else here in daily. Let me show it to you, which is that one here, guys. We got here a very stronger zone, as you see it. Look at it. That a very stronger zone based on volume profile, exactly at 105k, guys. You need to be careful about that level or that zone of 105k. The 20 moving average, where it is it at 106, 620? Let's see if the Bitcoin going to fall down to test it. That's possible, guys. Or another scenario, maybe from here going to go more higher. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's go in to see Bitcoin sentiment, fair and greed index, liquidity heat map. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys. The greed today is at 71, as you see it here. That means there is a correction coming. Also, we tell you that yesterday and we tell it to you today. There is a correction coming, guys. So you need to be careful. The greed is too high. We need at least to fall down to some zone here for the fair to be a little bit, for us to know the market is going to pump again. Because as you know, guys, the market doesn't pump like that. Always there is cycles like that, and that's what market doing every time. Now let's going to see Bitcoin sentiment, what it's telling us today. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin sentiment here, telling us one thing, guys. All the market are bearish those days. You see it here or no? They are more than 50%, guys. So you need to be careful if we're going to dump from that zone. If we dump from here, That's the top, guys. So you need to be careful. Based on Bitcoin sentiment, it's telling us the top is very close. Even the on-chain data is telling us that. So you need to be careful, my friend. Now let's go into see Bitcoin ETF. What happened today? Here we are, guys. In Bitcoin ETF, same thing as you see it. Yesterday, our friend BlackRock, they bought 3.05k Bitcoin, as you see it. But even that, it doesn't push the Bitcoin more higher. As you see, 3.91 being bought yesterday. Today, what happened? Same thing. As you see it, today, no one buy. Only Fidelity, they buy 107 Bitcoin. The hodlers, they bought 139. EasyBC, they bought 57. And the total Bitcoin being bought today, 304 Bitcoin. But we don't got the data of BlackRock. Let's wait them and see what's going to happen. So I think I explained everything that was going to see liquidity heat map as it's telling us today. Here we are in the liquidity heat map, guys. The liquidity heat map, we got some stop losses above here. Down here, we don't got a lot. That, man, in smaller time frames, maybe we are going back to liquidate those ones here. That's possible, guys. But for us to know the exact direction, where is that market going to go, we go from 24 hours to weekly as every time. What else we doing here? As you see, guys, here in the weekly, we got a different picture here. As you see, we got some stop losses above here, but the majority of stops are down here. That's why me, I told you there is a dump coming, guys. There is a dump coming to that market. So you need to be careful, guys. You need to be careful. There is a dump coming. That's the only things I can tell you. Now let's go into see the coming news of today. Coming news of today, guys. As you see that the news we got today, we got the GDP of UK, initial jobless claim of USA, and PPI. Even that one is inflation data. You need to be careful about that PPI. Plus 30-year bond action is going to come at 5 o'clock. That's the news we got today. Over here is our friend, the table of us. Us, we're looking at it every day here in that channel. Look at it, guys. What's it telling us? All US indices today, they are red, but not a lot. It doesn't move a lot here. As you see, the Nasdaq, the SP, the Dow Jones, all of them, they are closing the day red. But the Nasdaq, it moved only 0.5. The SP 0.27%. Dow Jones actually doesn't move. Our friend down here, the VIX, as you see it, Scanis and Fair, it's still at its place, 17.26. That means there is nothing to be worried about. Also, we told you we haven't top up yet. It's left for it more room. And also, we are waiting till the top, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. Now, we're going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here in 12 hours, we touch a very stronger zone here, as you see it, guys. That we're pushing Bitcoin a little bit down based on volume profile. And we got that one down here, as you see it, that one here. I'm going to tell you all those levels. That one here at 104k. And that one we touch 109, 191. Those ones based on Binance here. Levels, you need to look close at them today. Let me show it to you. We got that level here at 106, 990. We got that one above here, 111, 959. And we got that one here, that white one at 102, 603. So those ones, the levels, you need to look at them today, guys. I think I explained everything here. Now it's going to see Bitcoin doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 4 hours, guys. Bitcoin here, he tried to give us here a double top like how it happened here. Exactly, guys. Let me zoom it a little bit to show you those things. You see it, guys, or no? Look at it. Look at that one here. And look at that one here. You see them? After that one, what happened? We saw the market dumping. Same thing going to happen, guys. Same pattern, it repeat itself, guys. So you need to be careful about the coming move, where it's going to go. But the only things we got here, no, we got that one here. Like that, guys. We haven't break it yet. Now it's showing to us here those pin bars. We're still waiting it to be broke for us to catch that short. Plus that double top here, that one here. If it's getting broke, we're going to catch a short till down here. Remember those things, guys. Because Bitcoin doesn't got power to break that one here, so we're still waiting. If it's going to give us a shot from here, we're going to enter. Also, we enter along from down here till above here. And now we're going to see if we are going to catch a shot. We are going to ride it till the end. We got something else here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Let me show it to you. Which is that one here, guys. As you see it, Bitcoin now, it's look like it's going to break that 20 moving average here. And if we break it, we are going back to test the 200 moving average at 105k, guys, here. So if that happens, things is going to get ugly, guys. Now let's going to see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, same thing, nothing changed. As you see it, we touch here that very stronger zone here. Our indicator, it touch extreme overbought area like here. Now what the view is still waiting, just price action here for us to catch a shot. The good news still now us we staying here only in a zone where is the boost the controlling, so maybe we are just going to touch that wall here then after that we pump. Even that one it's possible, and that's why also we telling you guys, if you want to be updated more, you want to know the exact direction, where is that market headed, said you want when also we enter, we'll put a stop loss, we'll put a take profit. We told you what to do. If you are interested, of course, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video. Now let's go into see Bitcoin is doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, the Bitcoin, he tried to play in that zone here, guys. As you see, that zone here. Now there is one of two. Either the Bitcoin from here going to come back to liquidate those stop losses we show you in the liquidity heat map. That's possible, guys. And also we tell you all those things. How you going to catch it? If the market give you here a smaller price action like that, in 15 minutes, in 5 minutes, you can catch a long tail here. That's possible. Second scenario, you wait as a swing trader because those days day trading it will not work, guys. Also we tell you that, and that's why also those days we don't give them day trading signals. Yes, some people they forcing us to give them day trading signals, but also we know it will not work because there is no volume, guys. So you need to be careful exactly if you are a day trader. But it's up to you. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it down here at the zone where the bears they controlling. But let's see if it's going to pump from here to going back to the top here as I show you to that zone here. Even that one is possible. Now it's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum, you remember what else we show you in yesterday? We show you in the top 9 of the video. It was the one here like that. And we told you touch it here, it touch it here. It touch it even here. That's what it's showing here. It's showing maybe it's going to dump to touch the lower of that channel. That's possible, guys, because now we got here a double top here in 4 hours. So we still waiting what's going to happen. But me, the Ethereum, I don't look at it like that. I look at that zone here. We break that one here. We break it. Now we came back, we test it. Let's see if the Ethereum from here going to pump. Even that one it's possible, guys. The Ethereum is one of the hardest coins to trade in short time frames, guys. If you want to make money in the Ethereum, in the Sol, in the XRP, and those days we're going to add even the Doge, welcome to the family. If you want to still struggling, losing money, it's up to you, my friend. Also, we told you exactly when is it the right time and the market going to trend. That's when also we enter. When is it market sideways like that? We just sitting and looking at the market line at himself. But it's up to you, my friend. We got something else here in the Ethereum. Let me show it to you, which is that one here, guys. The Ethereum today printing for us a red candle. The view of me maybe is going to fall down to test here the 200 moving average. Even that one is possible, but the Ethereum is still looking bullish here. Let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. Even that one is possible. No matter how long else now we are above the 200 moving average here in daily, we're still in an uptrend, guys. Now it's going to see our indicator we're saying today here in the Ethereum. In the Ethereum, guys, you look at that one here or no, you see that big picture like that? That one here, guys, you see it like that? We got a big bearish divergence, guys, in the Ethereum. So you need to be careful, guys, about the Ethereum what's going to do. If you want to catch it, I tell it to you. If you don't want to miss that dump, join us, my friend. The link of our Patreon is down, but it's up to you. Now let's go into see the Sol or Solana we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Sol, guys. The Sol, same thing, nothing new here. The only things else we got here, that uptrend like that, as you see it, guys. We're still waiting it to be broke here for us to catch a shot, and also we show you all those things before. We told you same like how it's happened in all the past is going to happen even now, guys. Same thing like that, like that. Same thing if it's breaking here, it's going to do the same thing. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. If the Sol going to pump like how it happened here, to touch for us that uptrend here and to pump again. Even that one is possible, guys. Also, we're still waiting what's going to happen here. Also, we haven't entered and we're still waiting. Also, we are not that type of people who try to enter from the peak or from the low. There is no one can catch the top or low, but it's up to you, my friend. That's your way of trading. I'm not going to criticize you. We got something else here in the Sol, guys. Let me show it to you. As you see it, guys, the Sol here, it reached here to the 50 and 20 moving average and couldn't break them. Now, what is it, the view? Maybe the Sol going to fall down again to test that 100 moving average, which is down here, guys, at 145. So you need to be careful, but we got here, even in the volume profile, a very stronger zone. So you need to look at all those levels, guys. That one here in the volume profile, which is exactly at 148, and another one, as I told you, down here at 145. So I think I explained everything that we're going to see our indicator what it's saying today here in the Sol. Our indicator, guys, we got here that bullish divergence trend line. Let's wait it when we're going to touch it, what's going to happen, because it might we're going to touch it like that, then after to pump. Even that one is possible, because Sol here, it hasn't touched for us extreme overbought area, but we touch that one here, that level here or that zone here. As you see it, guys, we touch it here. Last time we touch it here with dump, so the Sol, you need to be careful from it, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. Now we're going to see the XRP or Ripple we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the XRP, guys. The XRP now I'm recording for you. It looks like it's going to break that small double top here. If that's going to be broke, also we're going to catch a short, like how also we're doing every time. Another thing, that one here is getting broke, but that one is being very difficult for us to enter a short based on that. Now you, if you can, and you find the market, or you're watching that video very late, you find the market are already breaking that small double top here, that one. You find it already being broke. You're looking at that one here, that smaller one here. Look at it, guys, what I'm going to show you here. Like a small cup and handle here for you to catch a short. Not for short, for long, what is it, guys? Because even for long, like how I've been teaching you here, what you can do, you came to that high here, that one, and you connect it with that one here, and you're waiting if the XRP going to come and to break above here for you to catch a long. That's what us we're doing every time. Now, let's go in to show you something else here in the XRP, guys. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? If you're looking with me here in the XRP and we came here and we zoom it, guys, like that, what you seeing? The XRP here is it's stuck between the 100, which is that white one, and that blue one, the 50 moving average. The XRP at least need to break one of that two, but the red one is the 200 moving average, and all those moving averages, they are below the 200 moving average. So you need to be careful, guys, if the XRP going to dump to break that last low here. Also, we show you in yesterday video, what else we show you here? We do it like that, guys, and we told you like that. You need to be careful about that big head and shoulder like that, and we told you if it's breaking here, catch a short, yes or no? Look at it, guys. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying today here in the XRP. Our indicator, guys, as you see it try to enter here, we got here that bullish divergence here as we show you before. Now we came to it, guys, as you see it here. Now we need to see what's going to happen here if the XRP pump from here or break it down. If we break it, we're going to dump, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, if you haven't smashed that like button, go now, smash the like button, write down a comment, tell me your thought about Bitcoin, what you thinking. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.